Alright guys, today we got a pretty interesting video. As you guys can see, or you might be able to see, there's a bit of a coolant leak down there. I'll show you guys from the bottom. A lot of people think this is the water pump. Like, let me see if I can find where it's leaking from. Like, see all this like coolant right here? All that right there is coolant, and a bunch of coolant, you know? But funny enough, it looks like it would be like it also looks like it would be kind of like a head gasket type of deal. Because if you look right there, I don't know if you look like right here, it's really wet. Like right here where the head gasket goes. So a lot of people think it's a head gasket, but that's a pretty big coolant leak. It keeps dripping as we speak. But if you go actually up here, the most common issue would actually be, it's called like the Mickey Mouse fitting thing. That thing right there. And as you can see, it's pretty wet under here. So what's happening is it's leaking from, this is new by the way, this is like the upgraded, but I'm guessing the O-ring's bad. And as you can see, all this coolant coming out, it's actually wet. It's falling down here right at the edge of the head gasket, and it's basically dripping down there onto the water pump. So just a quick little tip in case you have the same issue where you think it's the head gasket right here. It's not the head gasket. Try to trace it up here, follow the line, and you'll see most likely it'll be this right here, because these N54s, they're pretty bulletproof to a certain extent, you know, and I have never heard of them breaking the head gaskets unless you do some crazy something crazy, you know. So yeah, check this out. It'll probably be the cause of that coolant leak that you think it's a water pump or a head gasket. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this helps somebody out.